Let's cook a Mississippi roast. All right, let's start by adding some meat tenderizer. We're going to add some chicken seasoning. Let's go and put some oil in the skillet. You can start warming it up if you need to. All right, we're going to add some flour. We're going to take the flour and rub both sides because you're going to fry the roast before you put it in your crock pot or your baking pan. This is how it should look on both sides. All right, let's start frying this roast. This is the secret to getting your roast nice and tender if you fry it right before you put it in the crock pot. All right, let's flip it over. We're going to fry it on each side for about 3 minutes. All right, we're going to bring it back to the crock pot. We're going to add our gravy and ranch seasoning and also add our peppers. Let's pour the gravy in there. Ranch. All right, let's add the peppers. I just added the whole bottle. I poured the whole bottle in there. Dump. Look at that. Let's add a whole stick of butter. I added some onions. All right, let's let this thing cook overnight. All right, I cooked it overnight on low. I woke up to this. Look at that. All nice and tender. I had this dinner cooking when I was in the bed. Nice. How nice is that? In the crock pot. All right, so now you know how to cook a Mississippi roast. Thank you for watching my channel. Come back and see me now. Bye.